Hello, Sun Divas! Today's vlog is about a trip we are going for in the woods. It's a hike. To all my international babies out there. Oh! My English sucks. Hva som skjer? Hva som skjer? It means what's up. And what's up, if you say it directly, it is hva er opp, which means what is the upside? It's the roof. It's the virginity ride. Helmet.
Next time you see us, we have Tina here.
And she doesn't want to talk to
hung
us.
up.
Tina, today she has a blue outfit.
Maya just popped her cider.
Cheers!
How are you, Tina? Good. So she's the sporty one?
And I'm the pretty one. Bare der. 4 stikk, hver stikk, 3 stikk.
There you go.
And then you have the flame, and then you heat the pan.
Å, fy faen, ikke ta på den. Å ja, den er varm. It's called the snooze box, so we're gonna open it. Boom!
Nah.
Did it work?
No.
Did it?
Goodbye, my lover.
Du må bare legge til liv.
Yes. Now we are going to watch Tina's strip. Just kidding, that's for OnlyFans. You won't get that for free.
I'm gonna do my makeup tutorial in the woods.
This you just...
Oh my god!
It's actually a bit poison, so you shouldn't.
So contouring the nose and the jaw and my cheeks, and then
Fake news! Don't believe everything you see online. This is the virgin trip to my hammock.
it's currently like 11:30 at night.
Clean oxygen! She's doing this.
Morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. How did you sleep tonight?
Very well.
Very well.
Perfectly.
Sunniva, how did you sleep tonight?
I didn't sleep that well in the beginning. I think I woke up quite a few times. Same with this thing.
First.
Å, det er sånn tjukk røre.
Ja.
Ah, det er digg.
Ha det bra! She's the first one to leave.
I am the first leaving.
Okay, so Maya's meeting a boy and we want to see who it is. So we're just gonna drive after her.
Der er han.
Oh my god.
Blonde.
Blonde. He's skinny. He's rich.
Oh my god.
And a little bit of an edge. It's a little bit too dramatic to drive to this place.
We said that's enough for today.
Bye, Tina. Okay, see you later.
Alligator.